Hey guys, what's going on? So blessed here, and first I want to say thank you for checking out this video. This is a quick video to share with you this opportunity that any single mom or single dad or even a student can get their hands on right now and start getting paid up to from about $500 to $5,000 for rendering this service to small business owner. I'm going to show you in this program. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this opportunity. You see, everything is there. Everything is there already. You get to you get to see everything that you need to know. You see, clients are so that after a single email, the email that you're going to send to them, everything is in this program. The email that is getting, you see, these are the email that people are sending out and they're making their cool catch from it. You see messages that people are getting. You know, that's what you get with this is the services and XL by Google Chrome. So see, these are the opportunities that I'm giving you out right now. So if you are interested, see the news is all over. The information is all over the news. So business owners know about this opportunity already, but they don't have time to do it to solve the problem. So you helping them solve this problem, then they get you your money. So that is there for now. So if you're interested or you know somebody who might be interested in this service, now you can just let them know. Click the link below this video so that you can get the program. You can get the program. You can lay your hand on the program. Everything how to get clients who need this SSL service. Everything is in this program, so you don't have to worry yourself. Be restaurants and doctors, dentists, all of them will teach you how to get all those people in no time. So very fast. So thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you when I see you. See you soon. Thanks. Bye for now.